Okay, guys, let's talk about the Power BI. We already discussed what is a Power BI. So, Power BI is just a tool that facilitates business intelligence process. You know that if you want to take a concrete decision or the informed decision, so how it could help the individuals like a developer like us. So let's talk about the component of Power BI. I kept very few words on this slide because I always believe in simplicity. So keeping the concept quite simple and which could be understandable to each one of us. So there are four components in Power BI, but in my view, we need to keep two components in mind. So these tools are like Power BI desktop and Power BI services. So 80% of usage is a Power BI desktop application, and the name suggests this is an offline program, and the best part is it's absolutely free. So you can even start downloading it right now and using it as a personal program, right? So because this really helps you to understand program in a detail, and you no need to invest even a single penny on this. Okay, and also no need to share your personal details with the Microsoft, even your mail ID also. They don't ask you anything about that. You can simply download it and start using. Okay, so we are mainly emphasizing on it because who are the developer, they need to work quite majorly on this desktop version. So like developer like you and me, so we create an entire report on Power BI desktop. Now, what you have to share it to someone who is going to use it. Like consider, as I told you that we are going to use the Power BI desktop. It's a totally offline. You can create a dashboard over here. You have data. You created a dashboard and visualizations over there. So after the creation of the dashboards, you need to publish it, right? So you need to send it someone. So for the sending or the sharing that report, we need the cloud. We are going to share those reports on the cloud. So that's where this Power BI service comes into the picture. So okay, so once you share this, so whom you wanna share this report to, your the stakeholder, the customers, or the end user or the consumer of your dashboard. So once you upload it on the Power BI services, so you provide the access to your stakeholders so they can study that report and they can take or they make the informed decision. So you need to share it because once you create this dashboard on Power BI services, as we said that it's a offline, that means it with your desktop only. So you need to share it on a cloud. Okay, so cloud is nothing but a Power BI service. Publishing a report on Power BI service is free. So freely there is free. You don't have to invest single penny over. Okay. So for that, but you need a account for that. So if you want to create a account on the Power BI services, you have to put your official mail ID only. They accept the official mail ID, not a personal mail ID. If you are working in an organization, you need to provide that. If you are working in an institutional, educational institution, or the NGO, okay. So, but if you want to share it report, you must have pro or the premium license. Okay. So until that, you do not have to pay single penny with the Microsoft. Exactly. So these are the two basic important component of Power BI. Another one is a Power BI mobile applications. Once your report is on cloud, that is Power BI services. At Power BI services, you can access that report through your mobile app. So there is a one Power BI mobile application where you can access your Power BI report. So another component is a Power BI gateway. So as I told you that whenever the new data comes at your source, that could be refreshed automatically by using these gateways. So gateway gives you privilege to refresh your data automatically without the manual intervention over there, right?